Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day today. Today I'm going to show you guys how to jailbreak iOS 15.4 using Cydia with no computer. This is 100% untethered, guys. Anybody can do this on any version of iOS or any iOS device, guys. I've got it running here on my iPhone 12 flawlessly, and also here on my iPhone XS, and I'm going to show you guys in a bit. So let me just pop this app open, guys, and show you it is fully functional. It's got all the features you guys want in a Cydia iOS 15.4 jailbreak. It's super easy to do, guys. It literally takes like 2 minutes to get this thing set up, guys. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. I'm going to walk you guys through this whole iOS 15.4 jailbreak process, and I'm also going to show you guys I am on iOS 15.4 as well. And I'll show you a little extra demo on my iPhone XS as well, just to show you. So guys, I've tested this on multiple devices, and it's working. It's working on the iPhone 13 as well, so you guys don't need to worry about that at all. So let's get into it, guys. Let me show you guys I am on the latest version of iOS. Like, guys, this app is absolutely awesome. You can get all the tweaks and free paid apps you want with this thing, guys. So let's get into it, guys. Let me just show you I am on the latest version of iOS here. So check this out, guys. I'm on iOS 15.4 right now on my iPhone 12. And yeah, like I said, guys, it is running flawlessly. I've tested it pretty strenuously. So you guys don't need to worry about that. I did a lot of the dirty work for you. So yeah, guys. Let me just show you guys I do have it here also on my iPhone XS, just to show you guys it is cross-compatible with other versions and devices. So check this out, guys. Also running flawlessly here on my iOS 15.4 iPhone XS, guys. Yeah, guys, this is perfect. This is the only working iOS 15 jailbreak out there right now. So let's get into it, guys. Let me show you guys exactly how you guys can get this done yourselves, okay? So the first thing you guys want to do is you want to open up your browser, and we're going to go to this website right here, okay? So get this website typed into your browser, guys. Basically, what we're going to be doing on this website is we're going to be downloading the iOS 15.4 jailbreak Cydia profile, okay? So basically, we're going to be using a new method to sideload this thing onto our device and fully jailbreak it, okay? So, yeah, guys, just get this typed into your browser, this website right here. And then, and yeah, guys, it's really simple to do. So, like I said, get this typed in, guys, and you want to just hit the go button, okay? So once you hit the go button, it's going to ask you, do you want to download this profile? You want to click allow, okay? Click close. I'm sure you guys have all downloaded a profile before, but you just go to your settings. It's going to say profile downloaded. You tap on that, and there it is, guys. Cydia. This will install Cydia on your device and jailbreak it. So you just enter in your passcode. Next, install, done. Okay, so I basically just updated my Cydia profile. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you guys how to get through the rest of the installation steps for this iOS 15.4 jailbreak. Okay, guys, so you just want to hit this button, guys. You want to open up the app, and basically it's going to be in sandbox mode right now. Okay, guys, so it's really easy though to get out of sandbox mode. So what you want to do is you just want to hit any of these features right here. So we'll hit manage account, and it's going to hit you with the installation screen. So you just hit the start installation button. Once you hit the start installation button, it's going to take you to the installation wizard. Now once you're at the installation wizard, you basically have to install the apps and do exactly what each individual app's instructions say. Basically, the way the developers set it up is so that you just have to install the apps and do the instructions, and then it'll basically initiate a break in the code, which begins transferring the files for Cydia over to your device. So basically what the developers did was they hid the files for Cydia within these apps on the App Store, and when you install them and do their exact instructions, it basically initiates a break in the code, which begins transferring the files over to your device. So it's really easy, guys. You simply just install the apps. Like I said, each app will have its own individual set of instructions, and when you do that, when you install them and do their exact instructions, like I said, it initiates the file transfer for the jailbreak. Within 30 minutes of completing the installation steps, your device, this app will reload with all the features working, and you can install all the tweaked apps you want. If it doesn't load within 30 minutes, you did something wrong. You need to go back, install more of the apps, and do exactly what their instructions say, okay, guys? So that's how to jailbreak iOS 15.4 on any iPhone 12, 13, 10, whatever you guys are on. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm out.